Pure pala yung lahaw. Matanda. Nagsugang mo.
And now
Naka-chat sa send ko na yung
that it is
podcast.
me, and so I pray the final curtain,
Ay, sus, sorry.
my friend. I see it
Ano
clear,
yung heart? Heart.
I state my care,
Heart.
of which I'm certain. I've lived a life that's full. I've traveled its and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so I through without dictions. I planned its charted course, its careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I would go more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ended up, I spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I've loved and cried. I had my fear, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and me I say, not in a shadow way. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to see the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blow